Naka do bulreta le angu warong cumai no do matai ni sota na bula April me anga na do vitala no chigo me baleta na training sa ibu sangan ibu ay na matai training na workshop ko na awa di to focus on habilidade na leadership sabi na to na screen leadership lebu na matanggali bila no lebu enta na ibu se mangkaminda do understand ina ware na balang-balang din ni dawa muda agoya agoya windo na lulu panua se ngolu song se na tava na nongulu se la woya windo mo wa ia opinião ina mo opinião ina mora ni na tarabi ana ware na song we. So the challenge of leadership is not to be strong, but not weak. Be kind, but not weak. Be bold, but not a bully. Be humble, but not timid. Be proud, but not arrogant. Have humor without fooling. Na ito mo sana they summarize din na sa tunga ito to na matagal leadership sa matanggal bilu tayo ba o mal attitude when no to so la di lewu ito and then lulu to ito lulu ni usa lulu matanggali you are actually born into the role suru mai sa chubi na katel ni lulu matanggali so lulu ni usa the leadership o mal attitude o mal attitude mo ba tawli ito na ay purely the Big Maliwai when a woman organizes in a Thelikelia Urban Youth Club. Nagabo, yung doon naliw-liw, doon na leaders ay sura ami tuwi. Na tamatakukawa, but not to be rude. Maoni, paswa ko kuwen ng tamata, but you have to be strong, but not to be rude. If you already understand and be kind. Malumo, but to be bold, and not being a bully. Mo bully niya kamata so na ran le din ba mo gatsuni awa reo sande bully niya da mutu away, and also at the same time be humble. Yo to bully di level tu na bi matanggal leadership tu na muna yo yaw malata mo na focus so yaw na lima na matanggal leadership theory o na tugulan mo ng rekamay na ito na bulida na workshop when we talk about leaders, we start thinking of people like Rambuka or na Rotusekam Sisimar, all the great leaders and the Ila come down to our level and na Turangan Oro and na Turangan Yabusa. These are all leaders at different levels. Nabi sama kira nga sila dimensi ng bulan ng bulan yo ito organization balating ito anaway wa matin ito so nang tangali abin ito doon ito ila ayaw mo ato mo leader doon na leaders sila matanggali leadership qualities dapat o mal attitude na rin na anaway wa rin ina ito lima nga tukula mo na mga atang mo lima ay mga ating medito na focus na leaders o yan ito lima ay medito na taakahin transformational leadership, contingency leadership, adaptive leadership, strength-based leadership, and servant leadership. Ayon ito ng leadership qualities, leadership ako naman ata may ito na bulira. Nagkaroon na transformation leadership. So, libo na may wasang ni Gandhi na drain oppressed Union na India during the colonial ruling by India. People like Gandhi, they stand up. They transform the way And India, India, they look at things. Yeah? Leaders work with teams to identify need for change. Yeah? Create a vision to guide the change through inspiration and executing the change in tandem with committed members of a group. Yeah? Idealized influence, inspirational motivation, intellectual stimulation, and individual consideration. Eba amo already kalau tengah awal lain amaya dari India nang rule itu na may Britain. Perlawanan dia antara salah itu kota ini India, the rule India, lalu ke au ke England. Under na indentured labor and raba au may ana order may bana British colonies. Kaya amo Gandhi, he rose and India to get rid of the rights to need a change so that we can rule our own in India at that time. Eh? So that was Gandhi. He transformed in Asama, influenced in India, inspired in India. Sangay ako kiri oy ay may van na ini nona su protest ina na oppression sena viva ambubula ta eta abo to na Britain nona anan do na matanggali eh apa minto to transform ten lang ano ba na to situation to ay to youth. We need a transformational leadership. We need people create a vision. Guide the to si dapat na puno sa ucin to puno di umbi. Dapat na lang sa umbi na or dapat na puno sa dito na may lupa yung puno na or may umbi ang tamat. Ang magaling doon tamat dito na or. Ang magaling doon tamat hindi sudili na involvement in the people in our. So we need this kind of transformational leadership and start thinking along that way. And it's okay that everybody involved may bana trickle of need na numacho na to mo to year to wiria ng baiti. So you're gonna have to have that mindset. And aron na contingency leadership. Yeah? And the matagal leadership there is no best way to organize the corporation to lead a company or to make decisions. Instead, the optimal course of action is contingency dependent upon the internal situation. So I already people like Banimaram, they're very good with contingency. Don't I have they reorganize. I do job I do very good at this. You take over this. This is all part of being a leader. Contingency, right? COVID-19 saya I so somebody need to take over that. If you are a leader, you don't organization. Who's good at what? O they na liu-liu or they na tamatando matay na pakatay na ay. Who's good with people? Who's good with money? Who's good with ito na asaya doon? In terms of one more, ang protocol ni one more, sa may lenga. Okay, so they will ito nakikataray. Ito na connection eh. So there is external and internal conflict. Ito na internal conflict so you have to contingency more on your to araw mo na adapt in na di matanggali ake din na umay na ni may yapalata ng to organization anan do na matanggali leadership maturity it's try to keep yourself only sa one dimensional tunga to sa tunga bini diba sa manga ay sa mga interview so then we become really arrogant to listen to our members. Do acho na matengo no sila nito without followers there is no leaders. Magandang tamatan raburin ito we are nothing up there. And arua adaptive leadership. Why adaptive leadership? Tolong to adaptive leadership is a practice of helping mobilize members of the organization or community to adapt to significant change. Untuk itu to what's around contingency. Emphasis importance on adaptation and rapidly changing environment and the focus of creating the circumstance for good leadership and solving problems. And not at all this is the ex-president of Kiribati. So we and leaders that he knew that tribas na don't na lugu na non European. Asang kita abu you know what he did? He bought a piece of land in Fiji. Or the cuma ay may taong robe di Tunulo. Big piece of land. Sa ilato ay ninaya na climate change na akit sa haya to chuay. And na no natamata. And na palengai ina na rising sea level na tumba chuay ni wal. And mabal as a leader, you have to make decision na vi matanggal li situation sa haya to chuay. Amun sa haya to may ito may umbiya na tosta chunya ay nadawa na affect ito nadawa na to decision. Do we continue the way we doing? Karena sona baniua se me paareta itali sona infrastructure meran lao arena bi akere you have to be adaptive sa mangkan na new sa mangkan na bula new dia dapat tali rani ko uni menarani dana bula ina under na tumai na leo maganda ni sana gay me well we need people in this organization or on the Asamachi, on the GO, they have the heart, they're willing to adapt. Unge live na arere rawan na tosida ina no to function. Strength-based leadership. Focus on recognizing what you and your team excel at and delegating tasks to those who are strong in that area. You are weak. Ila touch base walilay na strength can be grouped into 4 broad groups. Executing o they dumatay na na influencing o they to be na vimaluay do rani build relationship na rani o amay na matamata. So abis do to do elengan awang kana tondo maru. O they tamata yalore. O they tamata do talitin en ro ali na tamata. And strategic thinking. Di ang tamatan do rin ibi dan une na ve akhir sa horu yao choma yang rin bitung bita semi vito sa ina merao ni narao ina na alile wende to sangatsu. Ai so na matakali ame ewa ayo chu no to song go. This is other qualities that ada chu meran influence ini ina nung decision making. Being on you make a decision in regards to nanon to organization. Ilan itu sangkai TFU, nangkai akhirnya ai enrondo akuliding na na manindia na very leaders team leaders in very organization ke. So there is no right and wrong way of leading. To based on nanon to value in what we stand for. Ai tolu se vana matangali se lima na leadership qualities of my atom and to equip them to it. And I told you, na 7 leadership. 7 leadership is a leadership philosophy which goal of leaders is to serve. And that ilaware na bulu ni chisu lamay na may serve. This is different from traditional leadership where the main leaders focus on thriving for their company or organization. And on bale you in charge of something you are there to serve. Vinkaravi wana vonu ubia, when Vinkaravi wana vonu do o matobatu wa e batule. Omangani tu ena mo wa yu wala tu mama ila tu tamata yo wa itabichu mata na to ana vidna alilehu au male atame enda to ba iau te ini enda to ema mo quickly go back mo na vamata te ini to transformational leadership transformation leadership to male atana tamata rani influence te ina na decision making contingency theory leadership rani bisa wato to around the best way to reorganize your corporation instead of making optimal decision. Okay, umdo apa ai contingency. Adaptive leadership betul. Ningon na yado ni Indonesia ani materi tu dona yado main dona regulation dona yado main dona matanggali lawa affect in an organization to youth visa water. We found out Ano to report yung ganyan to be to na Ministry of Youth after 2 years of existence. Okay, quickly we change. We develop the talent system bo. Dolan do na email account. La channel ta ikiri na information na ni yabo na ando do me no to email na bono do me yabo being adaptive. Quickly make decision on top of your head. The ultimate goal magani ay ni saya rin ito gawin juicy ayo mo do mo ba utan email yo mo kita mo magani ba auto ina ya total betin ni total tamata magani receive ina so we come back and reorganize na ta mera okay do na email address no do me hado ina na email ay i to na Ministry of Youth ana iso na lawan ni bisaw nga sa tampo na bulta iti tarse na bulta indri okay then what we gonna do kung may talisotal na mambali sana lilay na tamata ang rala o raw ilaw may umbia as a leader na anong to decision making the right time ay na to values and to organizational vision. Now, actually, yung beginning that we need a vision. Our vision is to hear by what does that really mean? Nambirin by wala, mutuloy bilit doon taman ni banyuwal yung isang gani, mera ulita inang to manga. Ay, na it's a metaphor relating to man looking for sustainable livelihood na to na oruro ta eba ilan sa tosun na sasanga misa na join kin mo ando kin na youth na agobio so we continue building to tebu tarara itsunga na isang ge unya may ni sa tebu ko komen non to base non to foundation tamatan sa tebu sustain the tongan tamatan sa to ilamay na and to the strength base what na do target to na matanggal leadership quality na strength base quality sana umemo on na learning ni sa kokoma ina to abetani in tamata and rasandu involved na wate good undo na good with money undo na good with thinking ranu asama undo na chumi vanua undo da abacho na bi anda chale anda ele automai ana la ona Ministry of Youth le register ai at ibu la ocho na buli ang kona vi manu in the process, we're also thinking of the dollar export license. So this is the other thing. Every decision to the other as a leader, derive my say, "Oh my, you got an idea in the tunsangan into tarada and buy in so looking for sustainable livelihood. I love Vimanu feedback to the family man labo rawato ya with feedback to roto la basa feedback sa tu umbia sa lai sa umu na wanga or to na wanga ang tamata di umbia la ibor sa sona vale me di umbia it keeps me thinking of all these things and give me motivation sa unya tu sa raw tu libna da to unya wal chunga one dimensional to right Ilani topule amende to abas total research pawili eso na matanggali leadership theory o abas which one do you think it's best for you ba natin na no mo matanggali leadership quality mo continue in na ilang tamatan you have transformation in leadership ay tamatan do wasama kuku naman do no na he create vision, guidance, inspiration. Unya tamata sa sa tamata dina moni songo bini la omai lewa very inspirational no mo turn up to every meeting what you do na ina oro no mo lambasa no mo do kita lo with the tatusi with the Malayan community these are very inspirational thing unya go the people like you start standing up magawalangan ni motivating and other members motivate me as a leader to see a young girl like you really have this passion but at the kevin kasusumina or we have this motivation in us in building us a contingency leadership quickly we have to have a contingency around non plan, we have contingency. Ran to tosune, ran to tosune, ran to expand ro amon na hotel ni ay umbi ang Sunday join jo ay running to am na lamin to. Okay, swa watu manda. Se tos mo to are ay yung kay join man. All these things have to be in place. Yeah? You have to start thinking that way. On adaptive leadership. Yeah? We have to start this complex environment. COVID-19, saya COVID-19 tahun tu tahu, Zoom. Tak mungkin rani lebu na fundraising tu sel out semua tengah ini. Adaptive leadership na style lawa itu saya tak ada training day. To start educating yourself mentally. You need to be mentally prepared. Rani the our biggest la legally tondo chuvi and the tone no to organization ngona is knowledge no ba buli di menta ila na ina dawa I may not to vanua we never go hungry. People have food all the time on their table. We have a lot of time on our hand. We don't need money to survive in the village. The only thing we need is knowledge. Once we have all this knowledge and ideas, then we can start equipping ourselves. Then we become just a little bit more effective. And then we're going through the process of training, and hopefully, like you're in a training program, I will learn where we are as a leader. We will know to learn software and strength base. Do something ile yang to tamate. Obaka ten chali wale because it's very good with people. Into we and tamata ready allow be ada ni I give ni ameta ai. Those are the things me anano realize they know that these people need to be here. Mungkin Indo talent alam yang ramai dapat. People on the floor, people on the ground are doing the job. And of course, servant leadership. Very important. Nyo sa may waitag tani una nata ay we are serving the people. Dato lawat you na dato buhay enra sa dato lingan ni taha. Na eda keve this is na ay namos ay to hiya to hiya ng bay ni di kalia. It's a demand from our ancestors and also it is our duty. Namun kataling ko na may abay. This generation will come and go. This is your time. Simbolo China dola na itabi ni Vanua. Dola na itabi na alalay bini, then we can be more effective. Tamkan cuma na oro mida cuma na tani apa na oro bawa na oro. So na alalay bini hindi bibu itu na rin. Dodolingan ke ina na oro. Ana dola na bosa malatan mo pada centunga ina we achieve in what we achieve inwardly will change our outer reality. Na inwardly meaning na nonto sama ba sanda bisutin nonto sama nonto bisutin na uto niya lonta may loma. When we talk about changing your heart, yung garin lao na numu uto mo galihu ina numu heart may bini ina tell me upside down. It means that you have to change the way you think, change your focus. And then after the bisota ina numu asama, it will change your outer reality. We have this idea as an organization, as a youth, to bring number that becomes something that goes in our brain, in our heart, in our thinking all the time, and then it becomes our reality by actually start doing things to something to other eye. To something you sitting at home, your brain start thinking, is going all this direction. How can I be more effective? We can all be thinkers. We cannot all be thinkers. We need people on the ground, on the other. We need hands. We need people to walk. The malati and rena tamata and rena revenue one and rena out and the oro and rena we need pictures. Malata ba live like tampa we don't choose the oro. To generate interest nandal tamata and rena live and rena sa mga tuntangan buku India. Nandal sana unin ay tampa ni India then we need to engage all these photos, all these ideas, na itabuchi, na ita ila ina. it's an input that we have to start putting in Nandato Asam into our heart, into our brain, that we eventually change the reality and action. And nagay asubin mo may nagi ari rin na unin sa ibu abu tu anak cuma na orang ada tu. Okay? It's not going to take 1-2 years to see changes. This is a process of 10-20 years from now. Terus nga unin sangat ibu bisaw amalu na mentality ni tamata. Sangat ibu bisaw amalu na ilay ino di undi. Then people can bagay ang ini yang sana unin rata mata okay ito ito adi niya ito dahil. Okay? So now we're gonna keep doing this. We're gonna keep doing this. Email na alam mo taru suari. That's okay. Ito na to suai. Long winawali na mga batua, ndo Amerika, nawali na dito ang Chio, ndo Lambasa, ila to Vitorin. Andra nang uli dito may that we have achieved na akhirnya to achieve inwardly, akhirnya to be to kasama, and then we become change our outer reality. Berbagai unit apa may apa tu apa itu may the outward reality asaya tu. You and gan ilacho and I the tumbi the chun to wasam. All this training, all these posts that I put up on Facebook, all these things that you see on Facebook, the whenever to post na akere to the other it is a way of trying to change our inward reality. Ito tebu me to unega to unechunga to our ultimate goal is to year to be here and by it. That's our vision. And our aim is to do that by improving sustainable livelihood pada macam ni. Masalah lebu warung, nanti si orang kalau itu mau pulang AI, do mana?